Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your camera. After you open up your camera, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on video. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on setting right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on video quality. It's going to take you right here. To have higher resolution of best video quality recording setting, make sure you switch to the higher version right here. The higher version on this particular phone here is 2K by 30 frame rate per second. So click on that and it has been effect on the settings. Go back to the camera, and from the top right here, you can see the 2K recording setting with 30 frame rate of your video. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about best camera setting on your Android Infinix phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.